Welcome everybody to this workshop. Um, my platform today is Healthy is Happy, and we're going to be focusing on overall health, but specifically physical activity and good diet. And my name is Sarah Houston. So, in a meta-analysis study recently done in 2015 in the United States, results showed the effects that exercise have on our psyches and our physical moods. So the short-term results show a significant mood improvement with mild exercise lasting at least 30 minutes, which is pretty good. And then long-term results, meaning a length of 7 to 10 weeks of constant exercise, which means at least 3 times a week, yielded significant positive changes in depression, tension, and overall well-being and mood. So healthy food is also a part of our overall health, a really important part of our overall health, I think, more so than physical exercise. So, when it comes to proper diet, the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics released an article stating that the total diet or overall pattern of food eaten is the most important focus of healthy living. All foods can fit within this pattern if consumed in moderation with appropriate portion size and combined with this physical activity. So yes, we can eat chocolate, we can have cookies and cakes, which are my favorite, but we just can't have them in very large portions and maybe not every night of the week. I was pretty excited to learn about that. So today I'm going to be focusing, like I said, on physical activity and our diet. So I'm going to start with activities, and these are just some examples of really easy at-home exercises that we can do with weight and without weight. So some of the benefits of weighted exercises: they target specific areas of the body, they build muscle bulk, and when you build bulk, you burn fat automatically, which is nice. And then cardio without weights, it improves heart health. You are able to lose weight without building bulk, and it increases your overall endurance. So these are some of the effective body weight exercises that I enjoy. So they are just the ones listed: squat thrusts, flutter kicks, mountain climbers, tricep dips, and a plank. Others include push-ups, crunches, pike planks, and so many others. There are so many things that you can do at home to help you be physically active. And some of the ones with weights include bicep curls, dumbbell rows, push press, lunges, walking lunges, and different variations of squats. There are so many things, again, even with weights, that you can do, and you can get weights anywhere, and they don't have to be the super nice ones. They just have to be effective. Some examples of cardio that I have found are most effective are jump roping, jumping jacks, burpees, and running. Now, jump roping is a very easy thing to do, and it is one of the most effective cardio exercises, even more so than running, because you're using areas of your body that you wouldn't normally. Usually you're jumping on your toes, so you're using your leg muscles, you're using your arms and shoulders to swing the jump rope, and your heart rate gets up there. So jump roping is so easy, but very, very effective. These are just some of the programs that are more well known by everybody. So Body by Bree is one. She's based in Utah. Beachbody is a huge one that people really, really know. So is Kayla Itsines. She has a great sweat program. It's in an app, and she also has a book. It has recipes and weekly diets, and her, of course, 12 weeks sweat program. And then another one is First Form, and not many people know about First Form, but that one's really good too. It has supplements, protein bars, powders, greens and reds, all that kind of stuff. So they're really good as well. Now moving into the healthy diet portion, I'm actually going to be focusing on MyPlate. And MyPlate started in 2011, and it's shown to be really effective in portion control and these 5 food groups. So vegetables, fruits, grains, proteins, and dairy. And this is the MyPlate. Like I said, it started in 2011. It focuses on variety, amount, and the nutrition in the foods that we eat. So we're able to choose foods and beverages with less saturated fat, sodium, and added sugars. And they want us to start with small changes to build healthier eating styles and to support healthy eating for everybody. So like I mentioned before, you don't have to go cold turkey on the things that you love. You just have to consume in moderation. As with everything, too many veggies are bad, too many fruits are bad, too many grains and carbs are bad. Protein is not awesome in large amounts, neither is dairy. So everything in moderation. Now, the vegetables, according to MyPlate, should be fruits and vegetables should take up half of the plate. And MyPlate really stresses that variety is key. The more color in your vegetable, the better. And you don't always want to eat the green ones. You want to mix it up. Have some purples, reds, yellows, greens, stuff like that. Also, mix it up. You don't want to eat the same thing over and over and over again. So eat cooked, raw, fresh, frozen, canned, and dried. Same with fruits. Like I said, fruits and veggies should be half your plate. And MyPlate stresses that you focus on the whole fruits instead of maybe fruit juice. And again, mix it up. Fresh, frozen, canned, dried, or even pureed. It's just as long as it's not the juice. Juice has a lot of added sugar in them that we sometimes don't realize. So whole fruits are better. Now grains, half of all of our grains should be whole grains. And this, one way to help is just to read the label and read what's on the packaging. So if it says whole grain or whole wheat, you should be good to go. Make sure there's fiber in there as well. So switch whole grain bread, rice, cereal, pasta, and flour. Okay, protein. There are so many good sources of protein out there. So again, mix it up, but in moderation. And you should always choose the lean option. So just a few examples: eggs, beans, legumes and nuts, beef, chicken, fish. Almonds and black beans are great sources of protein that not many people know about, and they are delicious. So our dairy should always be low fat or fat free. You should never get whole, 2%, 1%. Nah, switch to low fat and fat free. Some examples: milk, yogurt, cheese, and then fortified soy beverages like soy milk. Those are really good as well. They have lots of vitamins in them. So just remember, a healthy diet plus physical activity equals pure happiness. And as long as we don't have any questions, thank you everybody for listening, and I hope this helps.